What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time. I've been working on cars right behind camera, doing a lot of prepping on this 240. I'm still working on the S13 as we go. As you can see, I've done a lot of the just body work non-stop. Many hours have put in on this. I think the previous owner did a rattle can work on this car, so for that I have to just I couldn't stand it, and there's a lot of wrinkle on it and just wasn't done correctly. So I made it correct by just going and sanding it down to the OEM paint on this, which is the original paint of the car. And as you can see, before it was like a little light gray. There's still a little bit more on that side right here, and basically I had to smooth it down to the original paint. So basically what I'm trying to say is that I just want this to be done proper and close to a good finish. So it won't be perfect, but I'm trying my best to get this thing done. I'm gonna go ahead and start more with the body work. So there's a little bit more to do. As you can see, the roof, I've done both sides because there's a little bit warping on that. I know it's been quite a while here since I posted on my videos, but I do have my Instagram, so everything is updated on that. So all right, guys, let's get started. So it's pretty much ready. I think the next day I'm gonna be doing some primer with the whole car. This is gonna be primer. It's pretty much the shell itself, but I'm also gonna get into the hood too as well. So I might as well do that. And then I'm still working a little bit more on the hatch. Got the fenders too as well, and the other side panels, which is the doors. So it's a little bit more body work that needs to be done. So yeah, I've been working a lot on this car, trying to spend some more time as much as I can. But yeah, just stay tuned. Tomorrow we'll get this thing going. All right, guys, as you can see, this is the next day, and I have been working, kind of spending my more time on the inside panel of the trunk. And so far, I found some rust, like light rust on there, here and there. So basically, just really easy to just, just scrape it off with the grinder. Make sure you just I kind of use a 60 grit on that one, so it's a little bit of aggressive, but should be just fine. So I went ahead and sprayed that with the epoxy primer. With that, then I also just scuff sand the whole entire area, so we have the little roughness. So when we paint when we put our primer on, it should give that nice little attach to it. So yeah, so far this is pretty much ready. Maybe a little bit of touch and stuff, maybe I'll have to double check. But so now moving on to the panels. The other panels is going to be this door right here. Like I said from yesterday, I have to sand this out. I found some low spots, so I went ahead and put some light putty there, so I can go ahead and do the body work and sand it out. And then so I still have to inspect this, so not quite sure if there's anything else that I need to fix, but maybe kind of run through it real quick, see if there's any low spots on those fenders. But with this side right here, I have a little low spots right here, very light, and right here it's the line. It was so bad that this was probably the biggest dent I have in this whole entire shell. So, and I believe this part right here, I just have to make the perfect line on this, and it's gonna show a lot once I paint it. So I have to making sure that's evenly lined up. Other than that, yeah, so I'm gonna start with this one back here. Hopefully I can get this thing knocked out as soon as possible, so I can start priming all these panels and the shell itself. So yeah, so stay tuned, guys.